Do you want to know how you can make your playlist private on Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn your playlist of Spotify into private. So go ahead and open Spotify on your browser or your PC if you are using your PC, and make sure you do have your account logged in. Now you can see on the left hand side some of your profile. Let's go ahead and tap on this EDM profile, and what you need to do is click on these three dots, which is the option, and you can see the make private option over here. If you click on make private, nobody can listen to this playlist but you. But if you want to turn it back to public, just go ahead and click on the same playlist, go to its options and click on make public, and it will be a public playlist. Let me give you another example as well. You can see that this is a public playlist over here. Let me go ahead and turn it into private. I'll just go ahead and tap on its settings, click on make private, and you can see this playlist has been turned into private. I hope this video about how you can turn your playlist private on Spotify was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.